Dumelang gape. Kopa brownie ka ice cream tham.
Brownie the one.
Tsetri.
Otari charal harna ice cream harna ni.
Hela.
Rehela tsang ice cream yo kana.
Yo. So ala kono na brownie.
Okay, bon ice cream brownie.
Re ya bela bakala kae?
Ice cream. 20 minutes or less.
Yeah, brownie ice cream ke kae?
Ice cream is 26.9.
Ice cream ke 5 pula go dimo.
Emma.
Skarek. Later one. Ah. I think one more.
Okay, one.
Yeah, I think I have one more time.
Thank you, next week.
All right. Hey guys, how are you? Oh my god, welcome to a brand new vlog. If you're new, my name is Ruth. I am Mrs. K, so you can call me whatever you want. If you're coming back, thank you so much for supporting me and coming back for more and more vlogs. I'm with Riley over here. We are headed to the immigration office to get our passports done. So her passport expired.
April.
Okay, actually know the exact date. Yeah, in April. I'm just changing. I changed my surname last year, so it's just one of those documents that I'm changing. Yeah, so let's go there. It's literally like past 2 because we were catering. I only got the chance to do it now. So yeah, come along with us to the immigration office. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. And I actually started this vlog yesterday when we went to KFC. We were actually with Sadi. We went to get a couple of stuff from Besco Hyper for Riley, and then we decided to pass by KFC and get something to eat. So Riley ordered a brownie with ice cream. Sadia and I got the soft shell, which is just like a plain ice cream on a cone. But then we tasted her brownie. It was so good. We decided to go back for brownies, and then Riley also wanted another brownie with ice cream. But they said they've run out. But when we got to the place, are we supposed to bring our own passport photos?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll ask inside. So when we got to the collection side, the lady was like, "Are you guys back?" We're like, "Yeah, we're back. We wanted to get 3 brownies with ice cream, but they said ice cream is still wet." The lady was like, "Huh? Ice cream is wet? How?" She's like, "Let me check for you guys. Ice cream is here." So she served us our brownies with ice cream. She's so sweet. I forgot to ask her name, but she's such a lovely lady. Anyways, we are here. Ma? You too short. Is she too short?
Like this?
Modellera. Ayre antat. Kaya meron
the background is.
Yeah, kar. Atawa ka namin.
Thank you. Yeah, me, I can't tell you. Thank you.
Usikwazi kumela na. Nzama kule sama kwa. Alice. Tana face yabo nyanya. Sama isa Facebook, sama isa face ya. Isn't that kanya. Jala mu.
Yo guys, I just got a call for a very exciting tender. Yo, mdimaka. I just wanted to tell you I just wanted to come here and tell you guys that God is good. That God is good. That's it. Hey. I was about to study, she's not working today. We went to stairs. We were by the fields. We wanted to pick up Riley at 1 o'clock, but she said she wanted to do something until 3. So we decided to just come here, grab something to eat, pass time, and then we'll take her some. And then we went to Pick and Pay because she's run out of juice. So we got a couple more stuff. So I got the call, Pick and Pay. I literally did not know what to do with myself. Yo.
I was scared.
I haven't vlogged in a minute. Hi guys. Hi Riley. Today is a Wednesday. Today is a Wednesday. I went to pick up Riley from school. We are actually about to get to Game City. We're gonna get the lay-by, winter lay-by Abana from Ackermans, and then yeah, I need to get a snack for Humsal. I'm going to Humsal later, so we'll prepare that together. And then what else do we need to do? Yeah, just a few top-ups for the house. We've run out of sugar and just a few stuff. We'll see what to get. But when things are so expensive, I usually buy my coffee from Chores. I haven't had the chance to go to Chores. So I've been surviving on some sachets cappuccino, and I'm not really a big fan of milk, to be very honest. I prefer my coffee black, but once in a while I will indulge in a cappuccino. And I haven't been seeing sachets like your Jacobs. I don't know why. So I don't know when I'm gonna refill, but we're just gonna get a couple of stuff. And then I'll show you guys a few of my faves from the Ackermans lay-by. Now these PJs that I got for the kids and I, we're gonna be matching one day. What the good you like ice cream? Woo! Good morning you guys. I I last spoke to you guys yesterday when we went to the mall, Ackermans to be specific, to get the lay-by and buy a few things for home sale. Honestly, I didn't vlog that part, the whole home sale part, me preparing whatever, because of time. Yeah, but I just got home from a school drop-off. It is the next day. Today's a Thursday, and I thought, you know what, I want to just kind of clean out the house. Honestly, it's not anything much. The one thing that was bothering me a lot is the oven, but I did spray. Let me show you guys. I sprayed this before I left. I sprayed this before I left for the school drop-off. I think my mom got it from Impex, but I think Chinese stores do have it. Like, it's not Impex China, by the way. I don't know, but I don't think so. So we do have like same. Yeah, I think it does work. She did say my mom highly recommends it actually. So I sprayed this in my oven, but I quickly want to make the bed, clean up the bathroom, because Riley bats herself. I think I only assist her 2 days out of the week just to make sure she's doing like a proper job. But I'm trying to get her to be like quite independent in bathing herself and just kind of preparing herself for school. Obviously, I will iron her clothes, prepare her lunchbox. So yeah, let's get on that. I don't know what I'm gonna have for breakfast. I've run out of bread, and I'm such a bread girl, if I'm being very honest with you guys. I have been watching what am I watching? Oh, The Good Doctor season 6 is finally out. I think I'm on episode 6, so we're gonna continue watching that. And yeah, oh, I actually got my lay-by from the Chinese shop. I didn't show you guys. I didn't show you guys that. Honestly, I've just been too lazy to vlog. I won't lie to you guys, but this is the pink Virgin. I'm only wearing the top and not with the pants. I'm just wearing gray pants right now. I don't know why. But I'm absolutely in love with this two-piece, you guys. More. I actually went to get the black one. I went to get the black set. Turns out it's actually a men's I don't know, pajama, whatever you call it, because it has this thing in the front. I think I'll try and shoot a video, though I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but I will try that. So I just said because I got an extra large, I think it does stretch. I'm just gonna keep it for my husband, we'll see. So yeah, I'll show you guys the stuff from Ackermans after we clean up. Yeah, this is what our bed is currently looking like. We actually wear that fleece inside the duvet and sleep on top of this mimoi, because I could never just wear a mimoi, but on 5 kg it's just too much. I wake up with a sore body and everything. Sometimes Riley will put this fleece underneath that fleece, but I always make sure she wears like a onesie when she goes to bed, because one thing about kids, it doesn't matter 1 degrees or what. So I just make sure she wears something very warm when we go to bed, and then we use hot water bottles just to keep warm, especially because it's been very cold lately.
I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, play the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me, please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you where you're lonely.
When it comes to the bathroom, I think I only have to wash the bathtub and then just wipe around the bathtub, but there's not much to do. She doesn't make much of a mess in the morning, so I think she still just has trouble washing the bathtub. But in terms of like her underwear and stuff, she's just gonna wash that after bathing, which is great.
Baby, why you lonely? Please don't fall in love with me. You don't even know. I think you're lonely. Found out through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need.
What? You? Hey. This is too much. I haven't sprayed some on my stove top. I went in with a bit of Heyyyyy in the oven just to clear out the smell. Black samp doesn't smell too good, so yeah, I sprayed a little bit of it on the stove top. So let's just try to
I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, play the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart when it's when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out through you.
It is currently past 9. I think like 10 past right now. I just finished clearing up the house. It looks nice now, nice and neat. I'm just gonna sweep a little bit later and mop the house before I bath. I usually bath around, I don't know, 11. 11, maybe 12. Obviously that varies with the days. Sometimes I have clients in the morning, sometimes I have errands to run, sometimes there's just a lot to do. But on this particular day, there's not much for me to do because I did everything I had to do earlier on in the week. Tomorrow I will have a client, but I think I want to post this vlog also. I'm really pushing. I'm gonna push very hard. So I'm having leftovers from what Riley packed to school today with a cappuccino, and then I'm just gonna watch The Good Doctor, talk to my husband a bit, and yeah, I just thought let me show you guys kind of like a morning routine. Yeah, morning routine.
And it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall?
Guys, I'm watching Under Paris. literally the part where the race just started, I'm literally holding my breath. I'm so scared. Yui.
I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. You're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely.
Raymond, like we do Ruth.
To go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl out, oh. I'm a mind that's you the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that get boss. Like the Baba Frayo, Ayo, don't cry, yo.
Hey guys, I'm just listening to music, but I did pause obviously for copyright purposes. Today is a Saturday. My friend actually came last night for a sleepover, and I didn't vlog much of that, honestly, because we were so tired. Today's a Saturday, like I said. Made breakfast for us, we chilled, we caught up a little bit on stuff. So yeah, I wanted to close this vlog, but before I do that, I have to show you guys some stuff from Ackermans. And music, my lady days just started, and I feel like if I drag this vlog on for too long, so yeah, I'm just gonna just show you guys a few things that we got from Ackermans, and then I'm gonna cook. I think I'm gonna cook samp, which are long soaked, but we've been having takeaways like for the past 2-3 days. It's not cute, I don't like it, I need to cook. So I'm just gonna make creamy samp with some chicken stew and probably some butternut. Say yeah, let me not waste any more time. First off, one of my faves is this coat. This coat that I got for the girls. It's so cute. It's so cute. It was on sale. The original price was 389 pula, but I got it for 229 pula each. Hope you guys can see that. Really, really love it. Love the material, Gesana. It's beautiful. What is that? Okay. Love it. Love, love, love it. The girls are gonna be so cute this winter. This is what it looks like on the inside, right? So obviously we buy times 2. We have 2 girls, and then this gown, such a cozy gown, you guys. One, yeah, love it so much. Yeah, such a cute gown. Yeah, has a belt. The gown was 250 pula, and then a beanie, a cute little beanie, some sweaters. We actually lay-byed gray sweatpants, go Mr. Price. I hope it'll be the same shade of gray as these track tops or sweaters, whatever you want to call it. Love it. I didn't see the pants when we went to Ackermans, so when we got to Mr. Price, I saw the gray ones. They like them. I'm like, sure, you guys can have them. This was 120. We also got that in this cream or white color. I think it's a cream white though. I don't know what I was thinking getting this color for the girls. I mean, kids look cute in white. They look so clean, but we all know how messy they can get. And then, guys, I haven't got this for myself. I'm gonna be tuning with the girls. It's a black pajama set. It's a black pajama set. It was 170 pula. I just thought I cannot leave this. Let me show you guys the top first, and then the bottom. So this is the top. This is the top. It's like a velvety material. This is the inside. Hope you guys can see, and then this is the outside. You guys, I ran out of memory, but I was just saying it's a velvety material, pretty warm. I like the fit. I think I've got a size, I don't know if that's still in stock, but I think I've got a size 15 to 16. Yeah, I got a size 15 to 16 for myself. I already tried it on. It fits me, so I cannot wait to have like a cozy night in with the girls and just be matching. Also from my faves, got this cropped sweater. I love it so much. It says, "I'm the coolest person you'll ever meet." Love it. Love it. Also got this top. I didn't know I got it for myself as well, but yeah, this is mine, size 15 to 16. It was 80 bucks. It was 80 pooler. Just the stripes. I really love stripes for winter, so yeah. I think that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, guys. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like it. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Just say something cute, and please check if you are subscribed. If you're not, please do subscribe. It helps my channel a lot with the growth. And if you know that somebody may like my content, please just share this vlog to them. I know I was a little bit shaky. I know I've been a little bit shaky myself, but it's, you know what, guys, my emotions are all over the place. I won't lie to you guys, but I'm really trying to post a vlog every week. I really want to do that. I want to get to the point of being consistent again. Just you guys knowing what we're meeting every Thursday at this time. This girl's gonna post a vlog. You guys are gonna watch it. I want to go back to that place, but emotionally, hella, my life is in shambles. I miss my husband a lot. I haven't seen him in, I don't know, 5 months now. So I don't even know what to do with myself anymore. So yeah, I'm really trying to vlog. Sometimes I have to drag myself to vlog, but yeah, please forgive me and keep me in your prayers. Keep me in your prayers, child. Yeah, anyways, bye guys. I love you so much.